Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner here. Today I got a fun one for you. Today we got another episode in the Worker Work series. That's right. Our Worker Work series is the behind the scenes life, day-to-day life of a GPU mining operator. We are here working on one of our workers, number 407. This is an XFX rig. So these are 8 gigabyte GPUs. Well, this morning after running around on a couple restarts and such, we were out in the farm, and when I powered on our server power supply, poof, we had sparks coming here. Well, when I came up to this rig, we did have power on to both of those power supplies here, our 1400 server watt power supplies, but the CPU fan wasn't spinning. So I powered down, powered back up, poof, we had sparks flying. So it came somewhere right in between these PCIe adapters here on this ASRock H110 Pro BTC Plus motherboard. So what I did was unplugged it, brought it in. We started doing some work on it. First things first, we wanted to make sure the motherboard wasn't dead. So we did go ahead and fire up. We had another ATX power supply here, so we unplugged all of the risers. And we plugged in the 24 pin to make sure that it still worked. Had our crash cart here so we could see, we pulled it up on the screen. Well, the motherboard wasn't fried, so then we went ahead and started going through, got all the GPUs set to figure out. This one right here was our issue. We had 12 GPUs once we got everything back on. So there were a couple other issues with this rig. As you can see back here, we have a wood piece so that we can actually keep those GPUs nice and up. Well, a bunch of these GPUs were down. That could have caused the problem, I don't know. But it ended up being, we replaced the riser there. And as you can see, we are back hashing. We are using HIVEOS as our operating system out here at the GPU mining farm. One of the biggest things we like about HIVEOS is how quick things report, how quick things show up there. So, like I said, this is one of our episodes of Worker Work series. If you're new to the channel, new to us, please hit that subscription icon in the upper right hand corner. That way you can keep up with all of our Worker Work series. You can see here we are in the war room, or in our office. This is where we make all the magic happen, guys. Having a lot of fun doing this. Comment down below, let us know what you want to see next in our Worker Work series. But we did have issues with the riser here, and that was what caused our spark this morning. So after doing some troubleshooting with our team members in here, we found out that we did have a riser issue. And as you can see now, we are back in business, hashing away. So worker 407 is now able to head back out to the field and do its thing all day, every day. We're putting coins in the bag. But comment down below, let us know what other videos, what else you want to see in our Worker Work series. 9 times out of 10, majority of the time, guys, riser issues are things that we find out here at the GPU mining farm. Could it be because there's dust build up? Sometimes we'll get some dust out here because at the farm, there's actual farmland right beside us. So we get some different dust and stuff built up on the risers there. We'll see dust and stuff down here on the PCIe adapters as well. Sometimes we also get some of that fertilizers and stuff up there. All of that can cause issues. A lot of people have questions about humidity out here. Guys, we're basically in an open building, and we do use evaporative cooling currently. That will change, but humidity for us is really not a concern. Just one of those things. Well, like I said, this has been an episode of Worker Work. We had to do some troubleshooting here. We started with the motherboard first, made sure the motherboard was good. Then we started with plugging in the risers again. And then we had one of our risers that was the culprit. Now we're back up and running, hammering away and hashing. Thank you guys for your time. My name's Wes, not your normal miner. This has been another episode of our Worker Works. Thanks, guys.